students. Today we will discuss about the topic Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohms is a physicist who has given a relation between voltage and current. He has defined a rule where he states that voltage always varies with respect to current. Whenever you are supplying any of the voltage to any of the conductor, then the current also increases proportional to it. According to the Ohms, he states that at a constant physical condition like temperature, friction, pressure, outer condition, the current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end. Suppose you are having any of the conductor. You are having any of the conductor. In that conductor, you are supplying a voltage V. Proportional to the V, the I also increases. So according to the Ohm's law, V directly proportional to I. We all know very well that whenever we are releasing or removing this proportionality, then a constant is introduced. Here, the constant is known as the resistance and it is denoted by R. Hence, the statement converts into V is equals to IR, where R is a constant known as a resistance. Now, the thing arises in a mind that what is resistance? How we will define resistance? What actually the resistance is? So for all this, the answer is resistance. Resistance is what? It is the internal property of a conductor, or you can say that it is an inherent inbuilt property of the conductor which resists the amount of current flowing through it. Here the word resist. Resist means oppose. So in short, what we can say is that resistance is the inherent property or the inbuilt property of the conductor which resists or which opposes the current to flow. Suppose in a conductor, if the amount of the resistance is very high, then the amount of current flowing through it will be very less. That means on increasing the resistance, the amount of current flowing through the conductor decreases or vice versa. Hence, from here we can define R is equals to V upon I. We can give a definition of resistance that it is a ratio of potential difference and the current flowing through the conductor. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. The SI unit of resistance is given on the name of the scientist Ohm itself. So here, how we can define the resistance through its SI unit. Here R. So since the formula is R is equals to V upon I, R is equals to, we all know very well that the SI unit for the voltage is volt, short form of voltage, and we all know that the SI unit of current is ampere. Hence, you can write R is equals to volt per ampere, or in another word, that is ohm. Now, let's define the SI unit of resistance. How you will define the SI unit of resistance? SI unit of resistance is defined as 1 ohm is equals to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. That means the resistance of a conductor. The resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 volt or 1 ohm. The resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm when 1 ampere of current will flow in a conductor and apply 1 volt of potential difference. Whenever we are applying 1 volt of potential difference across the end of conductor. For example, see over here, this is a conductor across its end. If I will apply 1 volt of voltage and on applying 1 volt of voltage, if 1 ampere of current flows inside the conductor, then the resistance over there is said to be 1 ohm. So, in this manner, Ohm has given a relation between V and I. Through this statement, V directly proportional to I, he has given a graph between V and I. This is V and this is I. Okay. Now, what he states that V is directly proportional to I. That means whenever the current increases, the voltage also increases or the vice versa. In such case, through the mathematics, know that the graph in such a situation comes as a straight line. So here the graph will be the straight line. The graph between V and I, it turns to be a straight line. And it is represented by R. That means V and the graph between V and I is equals to R. Now, what the Ohm's state? He says that it is not possible that every conductor follow this ideal condition. Few of the conductor is not able to follow this ideal condition. So, the conductor which follow the ideal condition that V is directly proportional to I, such a conductor is known as a ohmic conductor. And the conductor which does not follow V directly proportional to I, that means on increasing V, the I increases or decreases. That conductors are known as a non-ohmic conductors. For the non-ohmic conductor, the graph between V and I is not a straight line. It turns to be a parabolic or a convergical line. So for the straight line, it is represented only in the case of the ohmic conductor where V is directly proportional to I. So overall, through this video, we came to know more about the resistance, that what mainly the resistance is and how it works in a Ohm's law. I hope you all got the things very well. Stay tuned for the next topic. Thank you.